Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 49-inch Samsung LED TV with the fault backlight. Sound okay? No picture problem? As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the right side or left side of the glass panel. If both sides Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. Anyway friends, here while tapping on the TV display you can notice the backlight flashing. Here this TV comes with a 49-inch Samsung panel. Here actually due to internal shorting in Gatesignals the panel DC-DC IC goes to protection mode. Because of that it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages. So here these are the Gatesignals tracks from the right side and left side of the glass panel from the TCON respectively. Here we already blocked the Gatesignals from left side of the glass panel using taping method. So now let's power on the TV and check the display. See friends, after blocking left side Gatesignals, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. Always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.